Hello friends, welcome back to my beauty and lifestyles channel. Today I want to show you what we're going to unbox. My Louis Vuitton On The Go MM. I got this purse back in November, but I just haven't had a chance to unbox it. And this is not a brag video or anything. I just want to come on here and give you my opinion. I've been wanting this bag for quite some time, and I know it has been out of stock for quite some time as well, so I just kept checking the app on louisvuitton.com, and then I kept checking their actual website on my desktop as well, and I think I ended up getting this one through the app. It showed that it was in stock. I clicked, put it in the basket, and I checked out. Didn't even think twice because I know I really wanted this bag. So stay tuned and let me show you what this is all about. Okay friends, so if you're new to my channel, I do beauty and lifestyle videos. We talk a little bit about makeup. I'm just getting my channel started. It's new. This is something I love to do as a hobby, and I love makeup and fashion, etc. So let's get started with the unboxing. Again, I am unboxing my On The Go, and I just got it. Like I said, I got it back in November, and it had been sold out everywhere in stores, online. So here they have enclosed the envelope, and I like that Louis Vuitton really makes sure that everything is in an envelope. Really, so it just talks about their return exchange policy. You have the return label in case you decide you don't like it, and then of course this is the On The Go MM. That was ordered through my smartphone, and again, I've been looking for this for quite some time. So here is the box, and I'm just opening it up for the first time with you. I took a peek at it, but it is the first time I'm opening it up, so let's put this aside. They enclosed a really cute ribbon with it, the blue ribbon. That was when I peeked at it, so we'll get rid of this. They do have a little card on the ribbon also. Let's see what this is about here. Oh, this is cute. What a small little envelope. That's cute. And of course it is enclosed. And it's just basically a little card. I guess if you're going to give this out as a gift, this would be perfect, but it's actually a gift for myself. So moving on. Here is the bag, the dust bag with it. And here we go. I love the smell of new bags. You know, I've been wanting a bag with red inside, and when I was looking through their website, this is the one that really caught my eye. Ta-da! Very nice. It's got some really nice detail. It's got that sturdy leather. Really nice. You've got the monograms. You've got the smaller monogram on the side and a different color, lighter beige on this side with the monograms as well. And what I like is the two sides are different, so it's always nice if you're going to switch it up. And we'll look at the inside. It's got these really nice sturdy straps to hold it on your shoulder, or you can just keep these inside and use it as a top handle bag, which I thought is beautiful. And then the inside is a really nice canvas material, beautiful red color. That red is so eye-catching. Very nice. It also has, because it doesn't have a zipper, it has this latch here that you can latch it up this way, so it's not easy to get in there. So pretty sturdy latch. And then again in here it does have the authentication and a QR code for the style. And I guess this is just the model number in the bag. Put this aside. Okay, so take a look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? And I love that the top handles, again, look at the two colors. So this one is the one that would be on this side, but I like the fact that these are the opposites. So nice. It's so beautiful. And this is what it looks like. I picked this size because I know they had the smaller one That's way too small. I'm usually the type of person that likes to carry a little makeup bag, my wallet, my cards, and sometimes even a planner for work. So you can hold it either way depending on what you're wearing. So pretty. Or you can hold it this way, or again, you can hold it with the shoulder bag, which is usually when I want to keep my hands free, I like to hold it this way. But very nice. Let me show you the inside here. It does have a zipper pouch on this side here. And then it's got these two pockets right in here. So it's perfect to, oops, just whack myself with it. Perfect to put like your cell phone, maybe a checkbook there handy. And then the zipper pouch is nice and deep. As you can see there, I don't know if this is picking it up on the camera, but this is really nice. I'm so excited to wear it. This is the first time I brought it out of the box. It's got some really nice, I love this gold detailing that it has. These gold buttons on each corner, each side. I love that. I think it just brings out, you know, the gold in the bag. So pretty. And here it is, what it looks like. So nice. Okay, again, this is the On-The-Go MM. Really nice size, perfect size, not too big, not too small. And yeah, so excited. Smells so good.